Graham, can you show everyone how you can reach for your ball? Come on, Graham. Can you reach for your ball? Or are you just flailing? There it is. Here it is, Graham. Oh, are you grabbing your taggy ball, Graham? Are you grabbing your taggy ball? Oh, and your other ball. Very good. Good work. You got it with both hands. Hey, good work, Graham. We are scrambling, scrambling, scrambling.